What's up, you guys, man? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys, man, how to win them raffles. I know y'all been taking a lot of L's. I've been taking a lot of L's, but lately I've been winning. Yeah, I've been winning. Yeah, unfortunately I've been winning a lot of raffles lately, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to win. So y'all about winning. So let's just show y'all step by step, you know what I'm saying, how to win. So let's get started. Break it down. Number one, make sure you have at least 3 devices. Just your phone, tablet, you know, make sure. I mean, if you can't get 3 devices, I mean, maybe you got 3 devices laying around somewhere. I mean, you got Wi-Fi at home, connect your Wi-Fi to it. Or if you got your daddy or mother or whoever, sister, brother, got phone, make sure you use their phone. So I'm gonna break down the second step. So if you got your phones, make sure you can have 3 or more. But make sure you download the Snkrs app to all devices. It give you more of a chance to win. So these steps, you know what I'm saying, I've been taking a lot of L's in the beginning. These steps that help you, it's not guaranteed, but it can help you, you know what I'm saying, up that percentage to win. So make sure you download the Snkrs app. Like Nike, Easybay, they got stadium goods, they got footlocker, they got champs. So make sure you upload them, you know. So break it down to y'all, show y'all. You know, yeah. I've been downloading a lot of these Snkrs apps. Nike, show y'all Snkrs apps. Nike. That's one of the apps that y'all need to be downloading. And that one. Then they got stadium goods. Can't really see it because of the lighting. Stadium goods. See? And another one out there good to use is Hibbett. City Sports. So let me turn down the lighting. I can see. And another one, Easybay. Easybay is a perfect. It's a good one. You know, small sports, footlocker, champs. They got a variety of apps out there y'all can use, but make sure when you download it, make sure you download it on all 3 or more devices. It'll give you a better chance of winning. So after you do download, you know, make sure when you download the app, make sure you sign up with different emails. Make sure you use different emails. You know, you can have the same address, you can have, you know, same name. But when you come down to the payment, you know what I'm saying, make sure you use different payment methods. Like you have a debit card, you know what I'm saying, you go get a prepaid debit card. You know what I'm saying, they got a variety of ones out there like Netspend, the variety of ones out there. So try to go get you one so you can have 3 of them in handy. So make sure you do that. So make sure you use different emails, because you're not trying to let them know that you're the same person filling out these raffles. I mean, make it seem like it's you somebody else, you know what I'm saying, trying to get a raffle. So, you know, different emails. Make sure you remember that. And you're ready to get started. So once you download all the apps on each one of the devices, you know what I'm saying, I'm talking about like Champ, I'm talking about like, you know, Hibbett, whatever, Easybay, download all together on each one of the devices. So give you a better chance of winning. So you get started. So next, once you download everything, make sure you put in a raffle. Because if you ain't gonna win anything if you don't put in a raffle. Make sure you put the raffles in, and they normally be like 2 weeks before the date drop. So make sure you put the raffles in on each one of the devices. Make sure you be on time. You know, they normally give you a time that you could put in, and they give you a reminder. So they'll remind you when it's coming, like a day or two, or either a couple minutes, I think 10 minutes too. So make sure you do that. So then once you do that, then once it's the time, the raffle, you know what I'm saying, the date came, make sure when you trying to get the shoes, make sure you go for the big sizes first. Because, you know, if you want to win some shoes, because maybe, you know what I'm saying, you could get lucky and win small sizes, but I normally go for the bigger sizes. Bigger sizes, because everybody always go for the smaller sizes, because the smaller sizes always they pay more. So if you're trying to resell whatever, you know what I'm saying, it's a lot of resellers out there, so they always go for the smaller sizes first. So I'm talking about the sizes 5 man and to like 8, mostly 8 man. So when you trying to get them, make sure you go for sizes 9 and up. So, you know, give you a better chance of winning. So I mean, maybe you want to get it for yourself and you wear size 6. I mean, I take that chance on at least one device. You know, try to get your 6 size you wear, but mostly go for the bigger sizes. You get a better chance of winning. And then last step is don't give up, because I gave up, you know what I'm saying, a few times. But just think about it. If you give up, somebody else out there probably giving up too. So a lot more people out there probably giving up too. So what that do? They leave room for you. So if everybody giving up, now you got a better chance of winning. So let's think about that. Every time you see a pair of shoes that you want, put in that raffle. Put in that raffle for it. I don't know why everything is raffle now, all the good shoes, but I know it's get frustrated, you know what I'm saying? But put that raffle in, you know. Maybe you'll win a pair or whatever. You know, luckily I've been winning. So I'm just teaching y'all guys, you know what I'm saying, step by step how to win. So we all gonna win together. So that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Peace. Y'all still up? See it.